She can move it. She can move it. She likes it. Makes noise when she moves it. Oh, that's so cute. The little tiger makes noise. That's exciting. Oh, it's exciting. The power to make noises. Grandma can appreciate this new movement. Wow, look at that. That's exciting. Look at that. Definitely a lot more control over the hands. Yes, there is. Wow, that's so cool. Oh, now if I could just get it in my mouth. I could just get that damn tiger in my mouth. Oh no, so frustrating. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, everything moved. Everything moved. Oh no.